Hey guys, so now that is the unboxing this tape measure 5 liter 16 feet. So now this is the whip wrapper grip. So now this is the China the 5 liter the tape measures the whip walker grip. Okay, so this is the and there is the unboxing this. Okay, let's the open this. Push it around. Okay, so this is this boxing this up. So now ever is the tape measure, and this is the 1 foot on the number on the back. This is the number on the back here. Push. Okay. That is the on the number here. Here you go. Okay. So this is the UGL 5 liter 60 feet, and thanks for watching.